What's up, Indigo Pack? It's your girl Natalia Michelle here, coming to you from my studio in San Diego, California. Let's talk about Clubhouse. I'm so glad you made it. Hopefully you can subscribe and annihilate the like button so that way this video can reach more indigos and we can grow our little wolf pack. But anyways, enough of that, let's go to Clubhouse. The bare basics. If you don't know what Clubhouse is an audio-based platform. No pictures, no videos, nada, just one very simple profile picture of you, a little bit about yourself, and a place to link your Twitter and your Instagram at the time of this recording. The best way to explain how Clubhouse works is like this. It's essentially an online virtual event or a platform where many different online events are going on. As soon as you enter the platform Clubhouse, you have different rooms that are available and you can virtually enter these rooms to join a club. As soon as you open the app Clubhouse, there are many different rooms available. These different rooms could be on topics such as the stock market, entrepreneurship, actors, marijuana, relationships, literally anything you can think of. And essentially, you just click on the room to join, and then you will be automatically transferred into the audience. There are 3 levels in each room. There's the audience, there's the followed by speakers, and the speakers. The audience is essentially users that just came into the room or are brand new to Clubhouse that have no connection with anybody within the room or even the speakers. The second level, which is followed by the speakers or followed by the hosts, are users that the host follows back. The third layer are speakers and moderators. Moderators are the speakers in the room that have the blue little bean icon right next to their username. General speakers are users that are on the stage that are not moderators of the room and don't have the settings to close the room down. If you're in the audience or the followed by host platform, you automatically have the button to your bottom right corner of your screen where you can click on it. It's a little hand raising icon. And essentially you click on that hand and anybody that is a speaker or anybody that is a moderator has the power to bring you on stage, where you can obviously speak on the topic that you're talking about or anything of your choice. As soon as you get moved onto stage, you have the option to unmute or mute yourself, which is the little microphone that gets replaced by the hand icon. As soon as you get brought onto stage, you are automatically unmuted, so note to your future self here, just please mute yourself. You don't want to hear any background noise. Okay, now that we got rooms out of the way, let's talk about clubs, which are very easy. Clubs are essentially a group of people that organize many rooms within a similar topic under a club. To give an example, a club could talk about filmmaking, and then every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that club has agents and managers talking about film, actors talking about film. It may be a nightly engagement room. Obviously, we have many different topics on Clubhouse and many different rooms and many different clubs, but there specifically you're gonna come across a nightly engagement room. I talk about this in a future video, but essentially a nightly engagement room is a room where people go in and literally leave their phone on in this room 24/7, and people will just click on your profile and engage with it, so that way you can gain a social media following or you can improve your chances on being a speaker in many different rooms within Clubhouse. How to get invited into these nightly engagement rooms or the silent ping rooms, that's in a whole different video, but you get the jazzy part of it. That was super confusing when I just first joined Clubhouse, so I thought I would throw that into this video. But either way, in conclusion, here's my personal experience on Clubhouse and why you should be on Clubhouse and why I feel the need to speak on Clubhouse and why I can help you guys grow a following, not only just on Clubhouse, but in Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat Spotlight, etc., and a little bit about what I do. Within just 1 month of me using Clubhouse, going hardcore Clubhouse every single day, joining at least 2 different rooms, within a few days of using Clubhouse, within a few weeks of using Clubhouse, I am not only connected to 10 different mega influencers on TikTok and Instagram with more than 5 million followers each, one of them having 12 million followers, and connecting with them on a personal level and on a business level. I obtained 3 new business partnerships, and I amassed my social media following by roughly 1,000 followers. I met so many new mentors on the platform. I have so many pending collaborations with these mega influencers with millions of followers, and this isn't even me going hardcore Clubhouse yet. This is by just me joining the rooms and still learning how the fuck the platform works. works. It's so undervalued. Originally on Instagram, if I messaged these mega influencers wanting a collaboration or wanting to collaborate with them, they would not even see my profile. But now with Clubhouse, I'm not only able to speak with them one-on-one, but I have extra perks on not only collaboration, but also further business development and mentorship. But either way, regardless, let me show you how I use Clubhouse and how I speak on Clubhouse before we end this YouTube video. Let's open up Clubhouse. So obviously here are the different rooms that are in my feed. These are people that I interact with often, etc, etc, etc. So as you can tell, I have that as you can tell, I have that green little bean icon right next to my profile, and that means that I'm a moderator on that room. The other thing that I like about Clubhouse too is that you can exit out of the screen. You can just have this on your pocket, and then you don't even have to have the app completely open in order to use Clubhouse, or even just listen into a room. But either way, in summary, that's how Clubhouse works. That is Clubhouse in general. And if you have any questions on Clubhouse or want me to talk about a certain topic on Clubhouse, like how to format your bio on Clubhouse, how to speak on a room, or how to host a room on Clubhouse, or anything about Clubhouse in general, please comment it down below, and I will be able to talk about that with you guys and hopefully tell you how to, do Clubhouse. Either way, thank you so much, Indigos, for watching. Hopefully you found this video informative. I know this is a very introduction video, but yeah, hopefully you found this very informative, and now you know a little bit about what Clubhouse is. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.